When you follow your dreams, they can really come true.
Hi, my name's Adam.
And I'm Alexis.
And our favorite sport's water skiing.
Traditional water skiing, there's the three events, which are slalom, tricks, and jumping. In tricks, they normally don't wear a vest in competition just for the flexibility and movement. And there's always safety swimmers nearby.
When you're out there on the water, you forget about everything pretty much. All you want to do is ski your best. It's just a cool feeling.
Water skiing is great because you just keep learning more tricks and keep improving, so it never really gets boring.
Both kids have been skiing a long time. They both started at about 3. They have a passion for it, and they really enjoy it.
It's just great to see the enthusiasm when they come home from school and just all the time that they just want to be out here skiing. Slalom is fast, especially if you're standing in a certain angle watching. It's pretty amazing.
Trick skiing is a 20-second run. It's as many tricks as you can do in a run, and you try to make it flow. Jump skiing is a very fast sport also. You go off a ramp, and you go for distance, how far you can go.
It seems really fun. I want to do it next year. My dad says I can't, so I'm really looking forward to that.
When I jump, it's a little scary coming off the ramp and everything, but once you're in the air, you kind of forget everything and you're just flying. Water skiing takes a lot of strength. I do a lot of pull-ups, sit-ups, push-ups.
I get strong by doing a balance sport. It helps me balance on my skis.
It's important to practice because you always want to be consistent. Yeah, some tricks may take you a long time, but you have to keep doing it until you get it.
As they say, practice makes perfect, and that's right.
And water skiing, I'm hoping to just keep improving. Hopefully someday become a pro.
My dream is to become a world champion skier and to be the best in the world.
Their passion shows. They love it. They amaze me.
Kids like you try their best every day on Disney Channel.
My advice to anybody who wants to water ski is keep trying, never give up. It's a hard sport, but once you get it, it's a lot of fun.
Disney Channel. Follow your dreams.